What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, what's up, guys? Typically on my channel we always talk about Disney planning tips and tricks, and of course some other little fun things as well, because I am a travel agent specializing in Disney destinations. And of course, if you would like me to help you plan your Disney trip or any trip, then just hit up my link to my website below and we can get started. You fill out that form and submit it and we'll get started on planning your vacation. So for today's video, we're going to continue on with the I'm a little out of breath. We're going to continue on with the packing videos. This will probably be my last one, but of course it is a what's in my Disney parks bag. And of course, if you go to the parks pretty often, or even if you don't, you probably know that you should probably bring like a bag of little goodies, but pretty much essentials that you'll need at the parks. So I'm just going to show you what I typically bring with me in the parks. I do have other videos. I've filmed what's in my parks bag videos previously, so I will link those in the eye above, so you can just click on that, watch it later, watch this first. But I'll start off by showing you guys my bag. So I'm switching out my bag for this trip. Y'all know that Lion King and Aladdin are my two favorite Disney movies, and so of course I had to get a Lion King bag. This is actually hand painted on. This is Little Simba and Little Nala and then I Just Can't Wait to Be King scene. This whole bag is the I Just Can't Wait to Be King scene, actually. And here's at the bottom is Zazu with the monkeys. Look at that, so cute. And the side pockets, I just want to show you all the details of all of this. Like, the side pockets are the giraffes on either side. And then here, this little detail, there's a like maroon colored pom-pom. It's so soft. And then of course, let me see if I can get close to you guys so that you guys can see this. So here's the drawing that Rafiki draws in the movie of Simba. And then of course on the other side is Rafiki, which is so awesome. Rafiki has a special place in the heart. So here is my bag. It is actually from the small shop Three Little Tinkers. As I mentioned, all of that they hand paint these bags, and so yeah, which is so awesome. So not every bag is probably like the exact same, but so much artistry in this. I really like it. So I can't wait to take it along with me. It'll go with everything because it's black. And yeah, I love the gold hardware. I'm a gold fan over silver, actually. Fun fact about me. So I'll go ahead and get started on what is in, I'll start what's in my small pouch. So what I don't have in here that I will be carrying, I'm trying to figure out which bottle I want to take, but I'll always have a water bottle. You need to stay hydrated. Florida is hot no matter what time of year you go, and honestly, even if it's cool, on the cool side, you're gonna be walking around a lot, and so you want to stay hydrated anyway. Honestly, you just want to stay hydrated because it's healthy. But yeah, you should be drinking, you know, a certain amount of water every day anyway. Was it like 64 fluid ounces? Something like that. Eight ounce glasses of water, I think. Anyway. Dr. Mariah coming at you. No, just kidding. I don't have a license. Please don't like sue me or something. So I'm gonna be taking like a water bottle, and I'll probably put it in this little pouch area. It's very big. You can kind of see how big it is. So I'll put that there. And then in this small pocket right here, this little zipper pouch right there, I'm just gonna put in here, I'll probably put my park maps in there when I do get them at the parks. That's normally what I do. I'll put them in the front pocket. But again, I will also have my park bound buttons. I love carrying them around, and yeah, it's a small shop, so you can feel free to check them out. I will try to link them down below. If not, just go to parkboundbuttons.com. There you go. And yeah, so I have a few. I have one that says I'm here for food and wine with Remy. I don't know if y'all can see. And I'll be down there for food and wine, so there's that. I actually will not be doing another Mickey's Not So Scary. Y'all saw in my vlog before, my impromptu little Disney excursion, we did Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. So I'm not doing it this trip. That'll probably be the only time that I will have done it, but I still have, it's still gonna be decorated for fall and things. So it says no tricks, just treats, and a ride that has a special place in my heart, Carousel of Progress. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow. And these are probably two of my favorites. It says I'm here, y'all know why I'm here. For new Instagram pics. No, I'm here for the memories and the fun, actually. But this is probably my favorite one because it's like very girly, but it says follow me to the castle. So I don't know, I like taking pictures with them, and so I like putting them like on my bags and things like that. So whenever I do have them on my bag, people always comment and be like, oh, I like that button. So it was a good conversation starter the last trip. Like I literally every single day I had somebody comment on those buttons. So but anyway, so in this big pouch, moving on to the stuff. This is essential. I'm not gonna unravel it, but y'all know what this is. It's a poncho. This is actually a Disney one. You don't have to get a Disney one. You can get them at like the dollar store. But you need to have a poncho or a rain jacket or something because Florida, it rains sporadically. Not for very long, but it does rain. It's very rare on a trip that we go on that it doesn't rain at some point when we're there. So you should definitely have that just in case. I do have sunscreen. This is Banana Sport SPF of 50. Yeah, I just like to carry around just in case I need to put more on, just in case. I normally put it on before the day starts, but keep it in my bag. And there's actually a pocket in here, if you can kind of tell right there, for your phone. So I'll probably have, here's my phone right here, but I'll probably put my phone in there. And then I have my sunglasses. So yes, I am a member of a sorority. Are there any of my fellow sorors watching? So yeah, I just have some sunglasses in here. I actually need to get some new ones. These are pretty old. Maybe I'll get some while I'm down there. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, so sunglasses are very important. It's sunny. And then I have, what do I have in here? Okay, I have my mini tripod for vlogging purposes. This is a very sturdy one. You can like push the button and you can move it, and kind of if I can, bruh. Of course it's not gonna do this when I'm filming. Cool, awesome, y'all. Yeah, okay, there we go. So it moves around. You can move it around and get whatever angle. I actually got this off of Amazon. I will link it down below if y'all are interested in getting this one or a similar one. I like this one. It's very sturdy. So, and it keeps my vlogs from being very shaky and blurry because I'm moving around a lot. And then I have a little fan. This is actually from Amazon as well, so I'll link it down below as well in case you're interested. These are really good for theme parks. It don't matter if you're going to Disney, Universal, a local theme park, whatever. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, you can just put it on your neck. I'm not gonna put it on, but and you just push the on button down here. I actually need to get some batteries for it. So yeah, so right now it doesn't have batteries, but I'm heading to the store after this video to get batteries and some other last minute things. But there's that. I have my wallet, just has my ID and cards in here. I always pack a smaller one than like what I normally carry. So, and it's good because this bag is pretty big. It fits, I mean, it fits everything that I'm showing you right now. But I just prefer to have a smaller wallet. And then the last thing I have in here is a bag of goodies. This I think I got in a subscription box, and of course it's Lion King, because y'all know one of two of my favorite movies, obviously, and I had to do it because of my bag here. So it has, of course, the famous quote, or one of them, from Lion King. So you got to put your behind in the past. In your past, this isn't here, but yeah. And again, with the gold hardware, I just love it. And then on the insides, it has little Simba, Rafiki, I think Mufasa, all of the characters, Pumbaa, Zazu, as the lining. So that's really awesome. But anyway, I have some moleskins in here just in case, and like these little things that you can put on the back of your, like, band-aids, from the makers of band-aids, it says. You can put it on the back of your ankle to prevent like the friction from the back of your shoe rubbing against the back of your foot. So that's happened to me before, so that's actually why I have that in here. So pro tips for y'all, so that y'all don't make the same mistake, because I actually had to buy them when I was, what did I buy them when I was there? No, I actually had to go and get some band-aids from one of like the stations in the parks and whatnot that they carry, like first aid stuff. But anyway, I have some chapstick. I have a mini brush in here. I have hand cream. This is from L'Occitane. And I have some gum. Disney does not sell gum in the park, so if you want gum, you have to bring your own. Fun fact. I have hand sanitizer. I don't know, sweet berries. I think it's from Bath and Body Works. And then, of course, I have a cosmetic mirror. This is actually from the MAC Villains collection that came out a very, very long time ago. And I have been carrying it ever since. I think I got it was like 2010 or something crazy like that. So I've almost had it for 10 years. But they actually called it, I think, the I'm So Vain mirror, which is awesome. It's double-sided mirror, so I'm not gonna blind you, but there's that. So yeah, and I love Dr. Facilier. I love Princess and the Frog, in case you didn't know. So this always comes in handy. This has never let me down for anything. Honestly, I bring it for anything, an event, anything. I think that's all that I have in this little bag right here. I do have, y'all saw in my packing video that I packed allergy medicine. I need to actually pack probably some like Aleve. So I think I'm gonna put some Aleve in here. Now as I'm filming this, see, I'm glad that I'm talking to y'all, because y'all helping me pack, low-key. So that is it. That fits in there. Everything fits perfectly. I will actually also put my camera, vlogging camera, in here as well. I have a link down below if you want to know what camera I do use to vlog, in case you're interested. It'll be in the description box, but that'll also be in here. I do have the, oh no, I don't. Not right now. I carry it, well, normally I just have it attached to my mini tripod thing and just stick it in there, because everything is pretty soft in there. But I do have I'll carry my camera case in there as well, just in case, maybe, you know, get on a water ride, something, whatever, to keep it safe. So that's it. That's all I take with me into the parks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and vlogs are coming soon from this trip. You don't want to miss this, because I am doing a lot. We're doing a lot of new stuff this trip, and all I'm going to say is you don't want to miss it. We're staying somewhere new, so you don't want to miss it. You need to go ahead and subscribe. I don't, like, why aren't you subscribed? Like, why? So anyway, yes, go like this video if you want me to do more videos like it, and follow me on Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I do like to interact with you guys on there, so be sure to do that, and comment down below if you've been to Disney before. What stuff do you like to take into the parks with you? And if you have any questions, if you haven't been before, then feel free to leave them down below. And I think that's going to be it for today's video. As always, I hope y'all have a magical day.